Okay, so get this. Imagine you're filming a YouTube short
Mhm.
and bam, with like a few taps, you're
Yeah.
suddenly in the world of your favorite book.
Whoa.
Not just like reviewing it, but like living
It's
it.
like science fiction coming to life, right?
Right. And the crazy thing is, this is actually real.
Yeah.
This is happening. It's called VO,
DeVio.
and it's powered by Google DeepMind.
Hmm.
These are the same people behind AlphaGo.
Right, which was a pretty huge deal.
Kind of a big deal.
Yeah, like when AlphaGo beat that world champion Go player, remember?
Yeah.
Back in 2016.
Yeah.
That was like a turning point for AI.
Yeah.
Like it showed what AI could really do.
Totally.
And to see that same tech
Yeah.
being used for creative tools like VO now, it's exciting, you know?
For sure. For sure. So VO, it's not just like those AI backgrounds we've seen.
This is like way more dynamic.
It's like, remember Dream Screen?
Yeah.
Swapping out backgrounds? VO's like that, but next level. Instead of still images, it makes moving backgrounds.
Whoa.
Dynamic backdrops for YouTube shorts.
That's awesome. The article we're looking at today,
Yeah.
they use this example of like a booktuber
Right.
using VO to like step right into the secret garden.
Oh, cool.
They're not just holding up the book, they're in the garden.
Wow.
Like they're part of the story now.
Yeah.
Pretty wild,
Yeah. That's powerful stuff. And it could be anything, not just books.
right?
A chef making a recipe in a Tuscan vineyard. A musician on stage at Coachella.
All from their living room.
Exactly. And that's what's so cool about this. It opens things up
It really does.
for creators who don't have a ton of resources.
They don't have to travel or build expensive sets.
So true. And it's not even just the visuals, right? VO can also generate those 6-second clips.
Yeah, those standalone clips, perfect for shorts,
So if you're editing and realize you need one more shot
which happens all the time.
all the time, VO's got you covered.
Exactly. It's a game changer.
Huge time saver.
For sure. But it also brings up some interesting questions, you know,
Oh, yeah.
about content creation in the age of AI. If it's this easy to create high-quality video, what does that even mean for creativity itself?
That's a big question for sure. Like, how do we know it's even real anymore?
Yeah.
That's like, is AI becoming our creative partner or what? But yeah, that whole real or not real thing, kind of a big deal.
It's a big question, right? YouTube knows it. That's why they're putting Synthbeat on everything VO makes.
Yeah. Synthed, for those just tuning in,
Yeah.
it's this tech that puts invisible markers right into the AI stuff. You can't see it, but algorithms can.
Right. It's like a digital fingerprint
Bruh.
to show, hey, AI was used to make this.
SAR.
That's going to be so important,
Hmm.
you know, as AI gets even better at this stuff.
Oh, yeah, because how else will you tell?
Exactly. Eventually, we won't be able to tell the difference
Wow.
between human-made and AI-made.
Right.
So this Synthid thing, gotta have it.
Makes you wonder, though, will people even care?
That's the thing, right?
Like, will they see it and be like, oh, good, they're being honest?
Right. Or will it make them not trust the video?
Or maybe they won't even notice.
Maybe.
It's like our brains need to catch up to all this new tech.
Totally. We're all figuring it out in real time. But it's not just us watching, right?
Mm-hmm.
What about the creators themselves?
True. If AI is making these videos,
Yeah,
what happens to the people who used to do that?
exactly. Huge economic question here.
For real.
Are videographers, editors, are they out of a job?
I've heard people saying that. Like, it's over for them.
Some people say that, yeah.
Yeah.
But I think it could create new jobs, too.
Oh, interesting.
It's not like a one-to-one replacement.
Okay.
Editors, maybe they become more like story directors,
Oh, I see.
using AI as their tool to work faster, try new things.
Instead of, like, the boring stuff.
Exactly. Let the AI handle that.
Free up the humans to do the creative stuff.
Exactly. That's what makes this tech so cool.
Yeah.
It's not just what AI can do itself.
Right.
It's how it changes what we're able to do.
Unlocks our potential or something.
Right. Pushes us to think bigger, beyond what we thought was possible.
It's like we're at the beginning of something huge.
Totally.
A whole new world of creative possibilities. And speaking of which,
Yeah.
that article we talked about, it said VO could even visualize things that used to be impossible.
I remember that. That's a bold claim.
No kidding. Like giving actual form to ideas.
Right. Like, what if you could show emotions on screen?
Yeah.
Or dreams?
Things you could never really capture before.
Exactly.
And now suddenly, bam, there it is.
And not just for entertainment either.
Right.
Imagine what this could do for education, for science.
No kidding. Like showing how something works instead of just saying it.
Exactly. Or even therapy, helping people understand their own feelings. The possibilities are kind of mind-blowing when you think about it.
For sure, it's like we could understand each other so much better.
Absolutely. Breaking down barriers, that's what this is about.
It's powerful stuff. But it also makes you think, if AI can make things that real, that convincing,
Yeah.
don't we need some rules, some way to make sure it's used for good?
Oh, absolutely.
What if it's used to spread lies or, like, mess with people's emotions?
That's the danger here. We need to be smart about this.
And not just the people making this stuff.
Right.
Everyone, all of us who are online, we need to be able to tell what's what.
Like a new kind of literacy, almost.
Exactly. Know how to spot the fakes, understand how this stuff works.
And have those tough conversations about where the line is.
What are we comfortable with? What's going too far?
It's not just about videos anymore, you know. It's about how we think about the world.
That's deep. But exciting, too, It's like the whole world is changing.
For sure. And this VO thing, it's just the start.
Just a taste of what's coming. AI and creativity all mixed up together.
Who knows what we'll be able to make in a few years.
I'm kind of nervous, to be honest.
Me too, a little bit.
But mostly, I gotta say, I'm pretty pumped about it.
Me too. This is going to be fun to watch.
All right, everyone. I think that's our deep dive for today.
Yeah, we covered a lot.
VO, Synthedy, the future of creativity. What else is there?
Just one thing.
Hit us with it.
Pay attention to this stuff, because it's moving fast. And don't just watch. Get in there and experiment.
Try out the new tools, see what happens.
You might surprise yourself.
Truth. And on that note, we'll see you next time. Same time, same channel.
Later, everyone.
Keep on creating.